We start the year wishing to reach new goals, walk new paths, and the main thing, to do all of that with health. Certainly one of your wishes for this year is to start practicing activities and having a healthier diet, right? Taking care of your body is essential so that everything works as best as possible and correctly. So including the right foods in your daily life will bring you more health and wellness. It is a fact that the end of the year is a sort of ruleless time when we allow ourselves more things, and that's when our bodies suffer from the excess of toxins. Besides fat buildup, ingesting industrialized and processed foods can cause inflammations and also harm the liver and the digestive system. Also, if there's an organ that cleans and purifies our body, it is the liver. Did you know that? The liver is responsible for producing the bile that digests fats, detoxifying the blood, cleaning it of impurities such as fats, drugs, alcohol, and chemicals from medicines, turning sugar into energy, and regulating glucose in blood to avoid hypoglycemia. It also stores iron in the body. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help us. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive news and info about health and wellness. Since the liver is an organ with many vital functions, it is necessary to take care of it if we want to be healthy. For that, adding these 9 foods to your diet can help. Lemon. Drinking lemon water while fasting is great for your body and your liver. Have you watched the video about the benefits of this powerful combination? Click here to learn more. Lemon stimulates the release of digestive enzymes and eases the elimination of toxins in the body, also detoxifying the liver. It is rich in vitamin C, important for glutathione synthesis. Apple. This fruit helps release the toxins through the digestive tract, helping the liver work better and cleaner. Ginger. Found in many teas and juices, this spice helps boost the metabolism and also helps metabolize toxins. Garlic. Another powerful seasoning that can help clean your liver and eliminate toxins. We also have a very informative video about its benefits. Watch to learn more about it. Turmeric, also known as curcuma. It is one of the main ingredients of Ayurvedic medicine. It is used for many different things, including to treat inflammations in the liver. Green tea. It is full of catechins, a powerful antioxidant that can protect you from some types of cancer, including liver cancer. Cabbage. Rich in sulfur, it helps eliminate the heavy metals in the body, regulating the digestive system. Avocado. This fruit is rich in fiber and good fats for the body. It also has glutathione, which besides other functions, blocks around 30 types of agents that can cause cancer. Dandelion. One of the most potent detox foods. Dandelion acts directly on the liver and pancreas. Isn't it amazing? And lastly, don't forget to drink water. There is nothing better than drinking water to detox your body. Get into the habit of drinking at least 67 ounces of water instead of drinking sweetened beverages such as sodas. Besides adding these foods to your routine, other ways of being healthier and detoxifying your body are: avoid smoking, excess alcohol and drugs, practice exercises regularly, and avoid sugar consumption. Do it, and then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.